Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How you doing? Hope you guys are enjoying your Friday night. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. As like I said it before, we try to drop consistent content around here every single day. Also, if you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is click that notification bell down below and it'll let you know every time we drop a video. And like I said, that's basically almost every day. So you're gonna want to get notified. So please do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below. All right, guys, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers, as they are the guys who are bringing this review to us today. Today we're gonna be taking a look at one of my favorite silhouettes. Also, this colorway is really growing on me. I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm 100%, a fan of this colorway, but it is growing on me. But without further ado, let's get into today's review. All right, guys, here we have it, the Air Jordan 5. Tar heel, whatever you like to call it. Now, most people are not a Air Jordan 5 lover, and that's why I kind of think it's kind of unique, because I love the Jordan 5. Like, as you can see, we got my earliest pairs from 99, 2000, whatever you want to call it. But then I got the 2016 retro. I got the Dornbecker 5 over there. I got a bunch of 5s. I got Raging Bulls. I got those Son of Mars. The list, it goes on and on and on. But these are the newest ones, and these are the ones we're going to be taking a look at today. So without further ado, let's jump into today's review. All right, guys, as we do here on the channel, taking a look at the outsole. Nothing special. Icy parts of the outsole. Then you got the Jordan in black, kind of debossed into the rubber outsole. All right, guys, taking a look at the midsole. We got your Air unit, all black. We have the white shark teeth with that blue speckled, that UNC color look. Now, as for the toe box, the materials on it aren't bad, man. Like I said, we've seen worse, we've seen better, but these are, a general release. Now, the PE to this is outstanding. I don't think I've ever seen it, or I might have seen it when I was at Shoe Butter's house. Most of my OG subscribers know who Shoe Butter is. If you do not know who Shoe Butter is, do your research. That man's collection is out of control. Moving up, unfortunately, these are the only laces it comes with. These UNC colored laces, which, like I said, I usually like to keep my laces stock color. I don't change them at all. It's very, very, very rare that I, change the color of the laces. The only one I would honestly think about doing it is the black metallic 5s, changing the laces to white, as MJ used to do. So far, I've yet to get the 5 with the the black metallic 5 with the 23 on the side. We need that. Speaking of the back side of the shoe, as you can see, we got the patch quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Yep, right there, says it right there. Also, you can look it up on YouTube. MJ is the greatest. All right, now as for the sock liner, it's kind of special. Kind of got those little details in it. See if you can see that, guys. I'll give you some up close shots of it, but really dope. As for the insole is pretty much the same as the guts of the shoe. Really, really nice. On the back of this tongue, it says heart. Let me put the insole away so you guys can see that. Let me take that out. But on the back of this one, it says heart. And I believe on the opposite one, it says soul. But we'll take a look at that. I'll show you guys a couple B-roll shots of that. But as for the tongue, we got the standard 3M with the black embroidered Jumpman. As for the lace lock, kind of got that blue tint to it, but it's also translucent. And the actual lace lock itself, it's also a blue translucent as well. Really dope, really, really dope. As you know, taking a look at the inside of the shoe, as you know, what basically going on the inside, going on the outside. We got your, your icy cage, But these are really fire, man. All right, guys, let me know down in the comment sections your thoughts, your opinions on the Air Jordan 5 UNC. Are you picking them up? Are you a fan of this colorway? Are you trying to collect all the UNC colorways? Let me know down in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it, day in, day out.